How to cancel a Bank of America debit card. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will learn how we can cancel a Bank of America debit card. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, launch your Bank of America application. After you have opened up your application, make sure that you're logged into your account. From your home page, navigate to top left corner, tap on the menu option. Now on the menu tab, you have to scroll down and there is an option as manage debit or credit card. So tap on that option, then you'll be taken into next page where you will find your added debit card. From there, you have to select the card that you want to cancel, and on the next step, you may have an option to turn it off or to lock your card or to cancel your debit card. So select for the option, tap on it, follow the on-screen instructions, and your card or your debit card will be cancelled on your Bank of America account. That's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.